What is Litecoin? LTC. The 2011 debut of Litecoin, widely regarded as the first successful, alternative cryptocurrency, would spur a wave of developers to attempt to increase the user base for cryptocurrencies by modifying the code of Bitcoin and utilizing it to build new types of networks. Litecoin has therefore established a strong market over time, while occasionally facing allegations that it has a clear value proposition, even though it was not the first cryptocurrency to clone Bitcoin's code and tweak its features. For instance, Litecoin would first distinguish its technology by speeding up the process of adding new blocks of transactions to its blockchain. It was thought that this may appeal to businesses as they occasionally had to wait for 6 confirmations, or about an hour, before it was safe to consider Bitcoin payments to be final. However, Litecoin would adopt a more aggressive approach to development as merchant interest in cryptocurrencies began to wane in the middle of the 2010s, pioneering fresh features like the Lightning Network and segregated witness, cutting-edge technologies that are now present on Bitcoin. The market has generally recognized these initiatives as being consistent with the objectives of Litecoin rather than fostering competition amongst the networks. The project has always been positioned as an addition to Bitcoin, which sets it apart from many other cryptocurrencies. Early promotions for the project even went as far as to label Litecoin as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, a slogan that still appeals to potential customers today. How does Litecoin work? Litecoin is a fork of the Bitcoin source code and shares many characteristics with it. Therefore, knowing Litecoin should be simple if you are familiar with how Bitcoin operates. Lieutenant Kernel, the cryptocurrency of Litecoin, uses encryption to permit ownership and exchange, and its software establishes an 84 million hard restriction on the total number of LTC that can ever be issued. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin uses a type of proof-of-work mining to allow anybody with the necessary processing power to add new blocks to its blockchain and profit from the extra Litecoins they produce. The two key distinctions are that Litecoin uses a different mining algorithm and aims to finish transactions more quickly. About every 2.5 minutes, new blocks on the Litecoin blockchain are added, as opposed to 10 minutes on Bitcoin. The original goal of the Litecoin mining algorithm was to lessen the efficiency of specialist mining equipment, but this later turned out to be ineffective. Litecoin mining is still possible today with hobbyist equipment, but large-scale miners still control the majority of the market. Since then, Litecoin has established itself as a useful testing ground for other novel cryptocurrency features. The segregated witness feature, which enables cryptocurrencies to fit more transactions inside each block, was implemented by Litecoin in 2017. Later that year, Litecoin successfully executed the first Lightning transaction, demonstrating the potential of a layered network architecture.